Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today we're going to be making some barbecue beer chicken wings, something I just came up with and I really think would be a hit at your next barbecue. So let's get started. So here we have our chicken wings in a Ziploc baggie, a quart-size bag. Let's go ahead and we're just going to go ahead and throw the whole beer in there. After that, let's get some of that air out of there. Then zip it up. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this in the refrigerator for a little while. I'd say at least 45 minutes to an hour. So we actually ended up letting these marinate a little bit longer. They were actually marinating for about, I want to say, an hour and a half. Let's go ahead. We're going to hit it with some black pepper, some garlic powder, some pink Himalayan salt. Then we're going to flip them over and repeat on the other side. So here we have our grill. It was preheated. I let it preheat for about 10 minutes and I turned it down to low. We have our wings on there and we also have some wood chips going. And what we're going to do is cover it and we'll come back and check on them probably about 10 to 15 minutes. So here it is about 15 to 20 minutes later. We're going to go ahead and turn these over. And we're going to go ahead and cover this again and we'll come back and check on them again shortly. So here we are about 20 minutes later. You can see they're cooking really nice. And what I did is I bunched them up closely. And what we're going to do is go ahead and pour some of your favorite barbecue sauce on them. Now, I have a really good recipe for some homemade barbecue sauce. I'll put a link in the description. But go ahead and pour that on. Then take a basting brush and brush it all over. And we'll come back and check on them in a few minutes. So here we are a few minutes later. I went ahead and I flipped them over and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side now. And we'll go ahead and let these sit like this for a few minutes and then they should be done. And here you have it. Our barbecue beer chicken wings are done. Let's give it a taste test. Better than I expected. I'm telling you. Do these at your next barbecue and you're going to be impressing all your friends. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching and have a good one.